Good morning, children. Every time we speak truth, we add a value to our character and an incident of experience. Yes, children. Today, the story that I'm going to tell you is about honesty. Yes, and the story is about Veena's confession. So, let's read the story. Many years ago, when I was 13, my mother had to go and look after our aunt and cousin because auntie wasn't well. She said we would have to stay on the farm with father. The following day, my mother left. Anita, our house help, called us for breakfast. Now, children, she said, when you have finished, you must be good and helpful while your mother is away. I have a lot of work to do. So, how are you going to behave? Me and my sister looked at each other and said in unison, harmless. Anita smiled at a little at her response and then sternly turned around and get on her work. I am going to clean the black shadow stable. Would you want to help me? I asked Veena. Well, actually, Girish replied, Veena, I don't think I will be able to clean the stable. I'll go and make a start for some swing that I was going to do with mother. Are you sure you can manage it alone? Oh, yes, I've watched her to do it many times before. So now the story is about a brother and sister. So their mother has gone to aunt's place to take care of her. So now both the children are staying with the father in the farm and they are trying to clean the farm. About 2 hours later, my sister came to find me. Tears were streaming down her face. Oh, Girish, a terrible thing has happened, she cried. What is the matter? I said, somewhat alarmed. I started to cut the lovely red shiny material to make a blouse as a surprise for mother, and I got the shape all wrong. I have spoiled the material. I felt my face go pale. My sister had ruined some very expensive material, and it was my fault. She was supposed to be with me. Look, I said, don't say anything, just put all away and come to finish grooming back shadow. So now the girl went and started cutting some mother's expensive material for blouse. However, she has cut it in a wrong shape. So now the brother is saying, don't worry, don't cry, put the material there only and come and clean the backyard with me, the black shadow stable with me. We didn't let father know about what Veena did. We were all on our best behavior until mother arrived. So they did not tell the father also. When mother returned a few days later, my sister, unable to contain herself as long, bursted into tears. She ran to mother, who put her arms around her. What's all this, Veena? Asked father, looking concerned. Oh, mother, I wanted to make a lovely blouse for you as a surprise, so I cut the red material and it got spoiled. Ah, child, said the father. So this is why you have been so quiet, just like a little mouse with a heavy heart. Meanwhile, the mother has taken the red material out of the drawer. Oh, Veena, this was the small spare piece left over from cutting out the blouse. I did it last week, one evening when you were in bed. The piece would not have even made a little top. So, when Veena's mother returned back, Veena told her mother that I have spoiled the red material for you. I wanted to make a blouse, but I spoiled it. So, mother said, oh, this is not the blouse material. I have already cut the blouse material. It is just a spare piece. So, don't worry. My mother looked at me. Girish, why didn't you ask Veena to tell father everything? All the while I hung my face low. She headed to my advice and didn't tell anyone about it. We both suffered in silence. Look how you both have endorsed this. I am sure that you won't do it again. It is always better to be truthful, no matter how much trouble you think it will cause. Owning up for your mistake is easier than hiding them, said father, gleaming with hope. Then mother finally spoke. I have something to confess myself. I haven't brought any present for you. I was just too busy, and we all broke into laughter. Yes, children, see. So the mother said that why didn't you tell father that Veena has did this? So both the children were very sad and they looked down on the floor, feeling ashamed. So mother said that when you do anything wrong, it is always better to tell the parents about it. Okay. So what if you will get scolding, but then you have to hide so many things just to hide that lie. So always be truthful, tell your parents about it. Okay. And then mother said, I also have a confession to tell you. I have not got anything for you, any gifts or toys for you, because I was very busy. So all the children, both the children and father started laughing, looking at each other. See children, it is so easy to say that you have done a mistake, then keep hiding it, because when you keep hiding it, then you have to say, make so many excuses for it. So make sure that you also, if you are doing any mistake, make sure that you tell your mother or father about it. Okay, this was all about Veena's confession. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye.